Welcome. This episode we will be building part 1-39E water tank front and back cover. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-39E water tank front and back cover. So first off, let's build up the template. Save. Now we need to refer to part 139C and 139B for the holes in this. So first off, let's do right side. Rectangle. Smart dimension. Could pull one piece and save some time, but never hurts to practice doing some of these holes too. So, okay, so we got 589 that way, and we got 250 that way. That's going to be 2 millimeters thick. So feature extrude 2 mid plane. Well, that doesn't really matter on this one, but that's it. Okay, save that, make sure. Normal 2. So now we want part 198C. So we've got to put all the holes along the bottom, top and bottom there. So we'll do these in top and bottom first, then we come to the side. So we want hole wizard, a 3 millimeter hole. That's good. Let me just zoom in a bit. There we go. Actually, in a bit. There we go. A bit more center. That looks good. Actually, we just do that. There we go. That'll do. So looking good. So if we go to just click one on there, thank you. Now if we go, let's put that in. That's going to be 6 mil from there. Going to be 6 plus 29, so 35 there. Okay, excellent. So get out sketch. Now let's click that one. Not mirror, linear. That's going to be, I think, 22. I said, yeah, 22. It's going to be 22 at 25. That's good. Yep. And that one's done. There you go. Man, that's so much easier. Okay, so now we want to go highlight all those. We want mirror. Click on the mirror about there. Click on this thing, drop down, and just go through. See how the lines left to right. That's what we want. And okay, that one's done. I just things on there. So okay, so I'm gonna go out of that one. Go and do these in separate layers. That way, if I need to come back, I can easily change on that. Okay, so hole wizard. So things are the same position. We'll put one there. Sorry, first click your highlights. So escape once. Okay, so now this hole will be 25 down to the top. So that one will be 25, and it's going to be 6 as well. Yes, 6 that way as well. There we go. Yeah, smart dimension. Now highlight that one. We want to go linear. We don't want that one, but we do want this one, which is going to be 11. And that's going to be 25. But we want to go the opposite way. Excuse me, the opposite way. There we go. Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. No. Sorry. I'm on the wrong piece. We want piece... What piece C? No, sorry, B. Okay, so this got to be 8 of these. We want 8 of them, not 11. It's got to be 25 apart, which is 25. Okay, it needs 9 because it's a little bit longer. So 9. There we go. So there's 9 pieces, 25 mil apart. So that's going to be okay. Now let's highlight these ones and zoom out a bit. We want a mirror. Click the mirror about this. Oh, open up. Thank you. Just click on the one. See, we want front. See how it changes? So, like over here. So you got right. That's nope. That's facing the wrong way. We want opposite of that one. So there, and that one's okay. And that one's gonna be done. Locked in. Now we need to do the corner pieces. We save that. Now these corner pieces are going to be easy. Just plug them in, they're going to line up there. So that's pretty easy. Yeah, it's just, there's no holes in this, so that's good. Other than screw holes. A hole. Want that one there, so we want, pick the thing, one there, pick the face you're doing it on, so there you go. Okay. Now, this one, and that one, it's going to be, nope. Okay, we'll do it this way. Smart dimension. It's going to be 6 and 6. 6. Dang it. It's done that way. That way. 6. Sometimes it's best to do these on different layers like I'm doing here. Just so if you need to change it later, you not interfering with another one. Oh, did it again. That one. Oh, I missed it. What did I do? Oh, I did something weird. There we go. 6, beautiful. Do these 2, come on. Thank you. Then down. Beautiful. And this should be the last one. 6. Oh, not 66, 6. There we go. Okay. Okay. And that is done. Yep. There's the top and bottom. No, it's the top and bottom. Front and back. Front and back. So there's part 1-C9E water tank front and back cover done. So click the like button, subscribe, and leave comments if you appreciate that. So thank you very much. And thank you for your support. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.